start with average. What is average? This topic comes in SSC and Bank PO exams both, and other exams also. So the formula for average is sum of all observations upon में number of observations. Okay, this formula we have learned till now. But when we talk about solving these exams, SSC and Bank PO, we do not have much time. So for that, we have some shortcut methods. So let's see what these methods are. First, method 1. In method 1, what we have to do, we have to learn the formula and just apply. Okay, if I talk about consecutive natural number series, and it would be 1 2 3 4 5. So the formula would be n plus 1 by 2 term, n plus 1 would be 5 plus 1 by 2 third term, isn't it? Third term would be 3. Okay, second, consecutive odd number series. Okay, 1 3 5 7 9. Formula would be only n. What would be the formula? Only n, not a term but the value n itself. 1 2 3 4 5. So answer would be 5. Okay, and another type of series, consecutive even number series. Consecutive even number series 2 4 6 8 10. Formula would be n plus 1 term, 5 plus 1 term, third term, and third term is 6. So average would be 6. Okay, and the second method which I'm talking about is very simple. Let's see what that method is. I will be taking you directly to the questions. If I talk about this question, okay, so the average would be the middle number. Average would be the middle number. Average would be 25. And in case the number is even, like this is 1 2 3 4 5, so we can easily find the middle number in that kind of series when the number is odd. But when the number are even, like 11 13 15 17, I'm not talking about the value, I'm talking about the number 1 2 3 4. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to take the average of the middle number, because we cannot get one value, so we have to take average, and it would be 14. So answer would be 14. Okay, and one more concept is here in this chapter, average speed. Average speed can be found in two cases: when distance are same and distances are different. When distances are same, in that scenario the formula is 2xy upon x plus y, or 3xyz if the variable are 3, xy plus yz plus zx. And if the distances are different, in that scenario the formula would be a plus b plus c, a upon में x, b upon में y, c upon में z, where c is distance and ABC are distance and XYZ is time. And the formula of XYZ is speed. Okay, this is distance and this is distance upon my speed. Distance upon my speed is time. So the formula for speed is, what the formula for speed is? Distance upon my time, and time we can find by distance upon my speed. Okay, clear? So let's take an example. If I talk about a boy goes to market from home at speed of 10 km per hour and comes back at speed of 20 km per hour and distance is same. ठीक है, in that scenario the answer would be 2xy upon में x plus y means 2 into 10 into 20, 10 plus 20, 40 by 3 kilometer per hour. This is 13.33 kilometer per